In the previous video, we covered the registration settings typically used in Scene. There are other options available within the settings parameters. However, these are typically based on personal preference, so feel free to look in there as needed. In this video, we'll walk through the pre-processing of our test project. The new Scene interface is very simple to use, as it's a left to right configuration as it walks you through the process. We want to first pre-process our scans. What it will do is it will create an initial scans cluster where it's placed all of our scans. We simply click on that scans cluster and go to the configure processing options. This will hold all of the defaults that we had previously set up, so we want to simply do a quick check to make sure it's still set up as constituted. Once we're happy with the settings, we will begin our processing. Since we're only working with 5 scans here, this should take only a few minutes. However, depending on the size and settings that you've used on your scanning project, this step could take up to an hour or more, depending on the number of scans. If you have a large project consisting of hundreds of scans, it's recommended to break these registrations up into smaller sub-registrations so as to not overtax your hardware and software. Typically, we will run on max, a registration between 40 and 50 scans before the software can't handle it anymore.